Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to day 4 of quarantine with skincare. I hope you're liking this series. Well, today is a haul day. I have got some of the Good Vibes products from Purple and I wanted to share what all I got. It's a very affordable Indian brand and it's available on Purple. I have been wanting to try these products for past few months, but finally I got hands on it. So let's begin with the haul, but before that please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and do click on the notification bell so that you can get updates regularly. I was a bit confused which products I had to buy and which not, so I got a mixture of these skincare products I have in this bowl. In total I bought 8 products and one was the sample that I received with it. One by one I will be showing you why I got this particular product. Good Vibes, an Indian based company, and they are coming up with very good products that does not cost too high and are comparable with high-end products. So these products are paraben free, cruelty free, as well as there are no sulfates in it, which is a really good thing. So the first thing that I will share with you will be the face wash, and these are the 2 face wash that I got. These are not even used a single time. First one I have over here is the pomegranate rejuvenating face wash, 200 ml face wash, and it costed me rupees 250. The reason why I got this face wash because I've never used any face wash which has pomegranate in it, and this was my first try to see how it will perform. The next face wash is the activated charcoal deep cleansing face wash. As I have very oily and acne prone skin, this face wash is really good to deep clean your skin and just take out all the gunk and sweat and dirt from your face. So it was of 120 ml. There was no bigger size available in it, and the price of this is 175. So next are the face serums that I have got. One is the Tea Tree Plus Mulberry Oil Control Plus Skin Glow Serum. It's a 10 ml of quantity, and one thing I absolutely loved with these serums is that they have come with its own dropper. I mean, there's a bottle as well as a dropper so that you can carry it very easily even if you want to travel. It's an oil control serum. I thought to give it a try, so therefore I've bought the smaller size and not the bigger size of it. The volume is 10 ml and it costed me rupees 275. The next serum I have is the Rose Hip Radiant Glow Serum. It also does have the same dropper in it. I'm pretty impressed with their packaging given the price point, and it costed me rupees 215. The benefits of this serum is that it is one kind serum that maintains skin elasticity and smoothness, infused with rosehip extracts to brighten uneven skin tone for a glowing complexion. As for tea tree and mulberry, it is made to give a healthy and beautiful complexion. I can have no pimples as well as the glow in this one serum. Not tried it, will be using it and giving you an update about it. The next product that I have is the Cucumber and Lemon Under Eye Serum. It's also of 10 ml and it costed me rupees 225. You know, cucumber is really good for dark circles. All the mothers as well as the ladies keeping the cucumber on their eyes to get rid of all the dark circles. This one will be really helpful, and over here the benefits of this is that filled with the soothing properties of cucumber, this serum brings down the water retention in the eyes to reduce swelling and puffiness. Also infused with lemon, it tightens skin and lightens dark discoloration under the eye. A really good blend of 2 things which will be really good for your under eyes. Peel off mask game is really old now, but for me it's something that I find it really fun to do every single week, and that is why I bought this Good Vibes Activated Charcoal Peel Off Mask. I have used another peel off mask in past, but I wanted to try this also to see what will be the difference and if I will like this or not. It is a 100-gram product and it also does not have mineral oil. It costed me rupees 249. Very affordable given the 100-gram product. Next is something, this cute little tub that I got. This is the aloe vera soothing face cream. It has no paraben sulfate as well as it is cruelty free. So the net weight of this cream is 50 grams and it costed me rupees 225. This is how the cream is. There is no any chemically fragrance in it. In quarantine, you ain't got anyone to do your pedicure or manicure, but I got something for my pedicure routine, and it's the lavender foot scrub. It's a 50-gram product and it costed me rupees 195. And it's this cute pink color, and the fragrance is also really mild, creamy fragrance. I like it. I have not used it yet. Will use it and let you know. Last but not the least is this small cute little sample which I received while ordering all these products, and it's the lavender foot therapy cream. Such a cool combination that they thought about giving me a foot cream as I was ordering for the foot scrub. It was free of cost, but this sample product, which is a 10 gram of cream, will cost 55 rupees. Again, a very reasonable price. Guys, I'll be testing all these products and will give you a review soon about them. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Please do like, share and subscribe. This is Ayushi signing off. Bye.